Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we are in Dollar Tree, okay, and Dollar Tree upgraded for me, okay. All right, so they have these things. I said, why I'm in here to get a notebook, okay, for my goals and stuff like that. I said, you know what, I could do a vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a while, okay. So they have these, oh, they have the $3 ones, the shower liners, and then they have the $5 ones, shower liners. I like these ones, the heavy duty ones. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, stepping stools, okay, $5, okay. This is the $5 L. Then they have some Gain. I had brought this Gain about, what was it, 2 or 3 weeks ago. I normally like using Myers dish detergent. Oh, they have it here. Okay. All right, Dollar Tree, all right with me. Okay. Oh, and then they had, oh my goodness, look at this. I could have came here yesterday. Oh, I did come here. I did come here yesterday. Oh, but I could have got these. Look at, all right. Never mind that. All right, let me go get the notebook and the headphones. Okay, family. All right, when I first started doing vlogs, like inside the stores, I remember I would be a little nervous, right? And I told you guys before, everything that you tend to do in the here and the now moment, right? It could be something so small. But when you start doing things that are micro, right? Very small. It's a challenge. You challenging yourself. You're going to start getting out of your comfort zone, okay? And then that's going to set you up to do bigger challenges. So the whole idea is not to look at your life and say, well, damn, you know, this is such a small challenge or whatever it is. It is for you to get out of your comfort zone. It is for you to move the needle just a little bit. Each and every day, you can move the needle just a little bit. And what helps me is listening to the personal development, okay? So that's what I'm constantly programming my mind with. And reading the books, okay? So you got to look at yourself and understand that you have the ability to change your whole goddamn existence, your whole damn life. And with that being said, let me get my notebook and these headphones. Okay, so they have these notebooks. 1 second. So this is the only, oh no, they got another spiral notebook in the back. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with green. Green is my favorite color. Okay, so I'm gonna get this, and then I'm gonna get some headphones. Okay, so I'm gonna get these headphones over here. I think once I start earning, okay, I think I'll still be getting these cheap headphones. I think I'll still be getting these cheap, well, inexpensive headphones, because I'm really not like a technology type of gal. Okay, like when it comes to headphones, keeping up with the headphones and, you know, phones and stuff like that. So I get 2 of these, and that's it.